Hi everybody, welcome back to vcoder.com YouTube channel. We are here to teach Python for beginners with sololearn. Okay guys, in this lesson we want to start the season 3 in sololearn course. So I opened the sololearn and I want to go the courses part of this website and open the Python for beginners. And here is season 3 about variables and lesson 1 about variables. A variable lets you store value by assigning it to a name. Okay, so the name can be used to refer to the value later in program. For example, in game development, you would use a variable to store how many points the player has scored. Continue. A variable has name and a value. Continue. To assign a variable, use one equals sign. So if we want to assign a variable, we should use a sign, equal sign, to assign a value to a variable, like this. In the example above, we assign strings James to a variable called user. Fill in the blanks to create a variable age and assign the value 42 to it. Age in the left side, 42 in the right side, and equal sign in the center is this and of our code. Variables, the equal sign is called assignment operator and is used to assign a value to a variable. You can assign any type of value to your variable, like this. X equals 42, it is a number. Y equals hello, it is a string. Z equals 3.14, it is a float. Filling the required operator to assign a value welcome to variable text. So we should assign this string to this name. So we should use an equal sign between these two items. Naming your variables is pretty flexible. So you can use letters, numbers, and underscore in variable names, but you can't use special symbols or start name with a number. So remember, Python is a case-sensitive language, which means last name and last name, such as two different variable name. Okay, so Python is very case-sensitive language. Continue. Which of these is a valid variable name in Python? Okay, this one is false because we used a dash or percent sign. It is completely false. This one is all number that are false, and a true type of variable name is the last item here because it starts with a letter in English. Letters, and we use underscore and letters and underscore and letters, and also we can use numbers between this name, and it is true. Okay guys, complete. Continue this lesson complete for this video. It is enough. I think we could start the second lesson, or no, for the next video. So guys, please like this video and comment your opinion under this video. Also, you can see our our previous videos and old videos in our channel, like 9 part or part 8, part 7, 6, and 5, and other. Please like this video and comment your opinion, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.